Jeff, I have another spotter, another visual observer. This is Henry. Oh, wait a minute. He's totally blind. That won't work. Sorry, Henry, you're fired. Welcome to SSH Drones. That's Jeff. We're in downtown Atlanta, or hot Atlanta, but tonight it's kind of chilly Atlanta. But we're about to do a hyperlapse. Oh, wait. Shut her down, Jeff.
Shut it down?
Yeah. He forgot one very important thing. Loom Cube, link in the description. I do have a 14 CFR part 107.29 daytime waiver. A daytime waiver is good for 4 years, and you can do that. You can apply for it at Drone Zone, the FAA Drone Zone, same place where you register your drone. And it's a good thing I'm here. Yeah, so he's like a student driver. I'm the licensed adult. That's how that works. So I'm the pilot in control, and that's why we're able to do this legally. All right, hit it.
I'm nobody's fool tonight. I'm nobody's fool. Leaving the lights tonight. 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 Tonight. Leaving the lights tonight.
8K Hyperlapse gives the aircraft the ability to take a series of photos while the drone is flying. The photos are then combined into a time-lapse video with motion. Hyperlapse Intelligent Flight Mode is located underneath Quick Shot. In this mode, you can control the altitude of the drone as well as the camera's tilt. Circle creates a half-orbit hyperlapse that is focused around a specific target. Parslack locks the drone's camera into a specific object and set the course direction. Waypoint gives you a dynamic hyperlapse video, but I will not demonstrate that because of safety.
And now, after safely landing, here's what the hyperlapse looked like.
I'll go down these roads. I won't tell you where I'm going. No, no, no. These roads.
Alright, thank you. Stop the recording. I'll get some artistic angles for you. Here. Oh yeah. Work it, baby. Work it. Yeah. The camera loves you. The camera loves you. You want to... And now here's your tagline. What's your tagline?
State-of-the-art technology.
Make sure you subscribe.